Whiskey's for drinking, water's for fighting. That's been the definition of California for our entire history. And the fight for water is never more important than in an arid area like the Central Coast. We're in the midst of a drought. We've been in the midst of droughts before. We've had short droughts. We've had prolonged droughts. The bottom line is now is we have more people and we have more acreage under production, primarily with vineyards that do require water, and there's not enough water to sustain us. We're depleting the water basin, not only in the North County, which has gotten a lot of attention this year, but elsewhere, including the South County. We're dealing with saltwater intrusion. We're dealing with chemicals and other runoffs that affect water quality. And it needs to be addressed. It does not need to be addressed on the piecemeal basis it has been addressed on. Right now, everybody's focused on the North County and a new district being set up there. And there's also litigation going on that could lead to years and years and years of water adjudication. We went through that in the South County with adjudication of the Santa Maria Basin. We don't need that. What we need to do is get in front of the issue. One solution would be to set up a countywide water agency. That would be an agency that would coordinate water use, would develop new sources, would be able to do water bank in wet years, and provide for the whole county. For example, right now we have a number of cities and special districts and private companies, water purveyors of all sorts. They need, their efforts need to be coordinated. Water is very expensive. We need it. We need more, but it's going to be very expensive to do. One thing a countywide agency might be able to do would be to coordinate the use of the water and to spread the costs of the water out over a broader base, thereby making it more affordable. For example, maybe one water purification system on the coast, turning seawater into drinking water. The Coastal Commission would never allow all these agencies to put up multiple ones along the coast, dotting the coast. That's never going to get through. But you do one major one, and you put it into the water system for the whole county. So maybe cities along the coast use that. That frees up groundwater or Lopez water or Nacimiento water for other uses in other areas inland from the coast. The county right now has allocation for state water that it doesn't use, and it's used by growers in another county. Maybe when that water becomes available again, it should be used in our own county. That would involve pipelines. That would involve buying the water, involve new infrastructure. It's all expensive, but the cost would be spread over a broader base, and the use could be coordinated. So if state water comes into the North County, then maybe there's less Nacimiento water that can go further south. It's just a matter of having a countywide agency that's able to coordinate everything, able to spread the costs, and most importantly, when it rains, bank water for the next drought.